Hey everyone, welcome to the final section of the course. Now it's time to create the final project, which will be this animation. We have this character, this robot character, which will be performing several tasks around the house. He will water the plants, then he will start cleaning the dust on this living room. Take a look at how he moves. Then he will come with the broom. And finally, he will come with a vacuum cleaner, say hi to us, and get out of the scene. So that's basically it. And as you can see, the movement of this robot is not like the movement that we have created for the previous characters. You can see that, of course, being a robot, the movement needs to be different because a robot wouldn't have this rubbery movement as we would have on a human character. So you can see how it moves. Of course, I'm going to show you how to create that effect. And well, obviously this will be a very fun final project. So here I have all the files that you're going to need. I have the background file and I have all the poses for the robot. And as you can see, I will share with you all these files with all the character prepared for the rigging. Now let's take a look at how I did it. For example, you can see that the head is in one layer, the right shoulder, right arm, and the right hand are on different layers. You can see they are on different colors. And take a look at here at the layer panel. You can see that they are on three different layers. The same goes for the body and the three parts of the left arm, the right leg, and the left leg. Everything is in different layers. Of course, for the sake of this course, I'm going to talk about this arm as the right arm and this will be the left arm. Of course, I know that this would be the right robot's arm, but I'm talking about how we are looking at on it. So this will be the right arm because it's on the right part of the screen, and this will be the left arm because it's on the left part of the screen. The same applies for the legs and the arms. So here we have the hand with the dust cleaner. We have the vacuum cleaner. You can take a look at the vacuum cleaner. We have the wire, the hose, and the vacuum cleaner also separated because I'm gonna take this wire and create an effect. Take a look at how it looks on the vacuum cleaner. You can see that the wire is moving. It has some sort of movement here. It's not static. So to do that, I have to separate this and then I'm going to apply some puppet pins on it. You may have noticed that the leg is divided in three parts. Previously, when we worked on the character animation, the one that was on the part like stretching out, you can remember that it has just one part of the leg and the foot. Now, in this case, as we are building a robot, we wanted to have three parts so that the movement could be like this movement, because otherwise it would look very rubbery and of course that wouldn't make any sense for a robot. And the same applies for the arm. You can see that the arm, we have the shoulders, we have the arm, and we have the hand, because we need this movement here, something like this. Let's take a look at how it looks on the video. You can see how the arm moves and it looks like a real robot. So that's really important. So that's what we're going to be creating. You can see that it will be really fun to create, and it's not so hard once that we know all the tools that we're going to need. When we finish this animation, we're going to add some sound effects. So for example, this water will sound, the steps of the robot, then the dust cleaner will sound too, the broom, and of course the vacuum cleaner. So we're ready. Now let's go to the next lesson.